Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumantanikam. I am from BEAD. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from J.H. Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Wagoli, Pune. Uh, our today's discussion topic is the why string is immutable in the Java. Basically, string is a non-primitive data type which is used in the Java programming, which stores the character values, multiple character values. So basically, we will understand firstly what is string. String is a object which stores, which presents the sequence of the characters. So this is called as the string. String is an object. It also non-primitive data type. So this is about the string. Those so the string is can be created by two methods. First one is that string is created with the help of by using literals, and another is that string is created by using new keyword. As like Java is an object-oriented programming language, hence various classes, various methods are accessed by creating one object. All the methods, multiple methods can be accessed by using the objects in the Java. As like string is also an object which stores multiple value, so it can be accessed by creating an object. So first one is that when the string is created, the syntax of string by using the literals is that string s1 equal to in double quotes, suppose hello. So the string will be created by using the literals. So this is the basic syntax of the string by using literals. And thus when the string is created by using the literals, the string is stored in the string constant pool, which is the memory area. So basically the string is stored in the heap memory area, which is allocated by the JVM. So in this heap, when the string is created by using the literals, the string is stored in string constant pool. String constant pool is a reserved area which is present in the heap memory. So when the string is created by using literal, the string is stored in the string constant pool. So this is the creation of the string by using literal. And another is that string is created by using new keyword. When the string is created by using new keyword, the string is stored in the heap memory, and also its blueprint or a partial object is created, or a carbon copy is created in the string constant pool. So when the string is created in the string constant pool, suppose let's understand why string is immutable. So string is firstly immutable because of the security reasons, because of synchronization, because of catching, because of correct class loading. So for that reason, string is immutable. So the string is immutable means we cannot changes in make changes if the string is created on the memory area. We cannot changes its value. So that's why string is immutable. Suppose let us understand with the example. Suppose string s1 equal to in double quotes welcome, and another string s2 equal to new string in bracket welcome. So the string created by using literals is stored in the string constant pool. So and another string also same string only created by using the new keyword. So the there is only one object is created within the memory area, but the reference is passes to the string s2. When s1 string is created by using literal, the object is present already in the string constant pool. When we create another string by using new keyword, the JVM firstly check the if the string is present, the string content is present in the string constant pool, then only reference of this string s1, which is present in the string constant pool, will be passes towards the string s2. Hence the old string is not changed, and another string only have the reference. So that's why string is immutable. So suppose the string is created firstly, then it cannot be changed. uh, uh, it provides the more security to the programming. So for the security reasons, string is immutable in the Java. Thank you so much.